balik action po tayo mula dito sa Araneta Coliseum. Malibara kasama rin po si Jason Webb. At ito nga po, at dito po sa fourth quarter po natin, malago ng todo itong Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. Unang 3 quarters po, hindi pa fair. In fact, ito pong Walkout Dragons at talaga naman pong nakikipagdikitan lamang dito sa Barangay Ginebra. Ito po sa fourth quarter. Umalas itong Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. Ito mga taga-Davao ito, mga taga-Turil, Davao. Mga bisita po natin dito. There's Alex Compton. He has 5 points at 5 rebounds. End of the road para dito kay Alex Compton.
So it might just be the end of the road para kay Alex Compton. Remember, if he is retiring, this will be the third time that he is retiring. The first time was when he applied for the PBA at tapos hindi siya napayagan. Of course, the second time was last year in the Fiesta Cup. Kala niya rin pagkatapos nun, hindi na ulit siya maglalaro. But he was again called to duty by his team and he answered the call of management. At yun, naglaro na naman siya. So, might be the third time that he's retiring. So, hindi mo na pwedeng sabihin na ito na yun eh. Dahil it has happened before that he was forced into action. Not really forced, but called into action. But of course, Alex, mid-30s right now.
And I'm sure mga fans natin always love to see ito si Alex Compton play. Pagkat laging dalang 100% ito si Alex Compton pag lumalaro eh.
Mas masarap yan pag nagtatagalog.
Totoo yun. Wala pa rin dito ng Walkout Dragons. Ayaw po at there's a very young Kaloy Garcia handling the reins from Coach Leo Austria. Para po dito sa Walkout Dragons sa Troy Bartiani nilag. Ito na ang Outlast 2 minutes. Hatid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad. At sa puntong ito, nakakahinga na ng todo itong walang Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. Sabi mo nga, crucial game on Sunday against the Alaska Aces, and Chris Alexander still a force to reckon with.
But a lot of the big names of Barangay Ginebra still on the court. It is an 18-point lead, a minute and a half remaining. And there's the foul as we expect. Ito na yung exodus ng mga stars ng Barangay Ginebra.
47, Mark Padilla. That is his third personal. First team foul on the Barangay Ginebra Kings under the last 2 minutes. Substitution.
Two new guys. Well, actually, si Alex Alexander reporting back, replacing the import Chris Alexander. Pero Chris Pacana, kinatampo itong si JJ Halderbrand. Na binabagid mo, Jason Sips itong Barangay Ginebra could just be picking on time dito po sa ating
You have to say there's a couple of teams that you want to avoid at present, and Barangay Ginebra should be one of the teams on top of your list. Dahil nga ang dami na nilang dikit-dikit na panalo, tapos yung lineup nila it's starting to get deeper and deeper with the return of Rafi Rivas, Mark Aguiwa, and of course, Chris Alexander may be the best import in the last couple of games of the second round.
True. At here, mga kaibigan, bola pa dito ng Barangay Ginebra Jenkins. Kanina, binabagid doon sa interview kay Mark Aguiwa. Pinagtatawanan na daw sila nung 1-8 sila. Pero nag-iba na po ang kwento, mga kaibigan, na Alex Crisano. Iba yung balak doon, Mater.
Well, everyone's smiling here at the game except for Coach Joey Chico. Not really something that he'd want to see. Baka kasi pumasok at mawili.
Ayan. Sigurado yan. Ito na patira na doon. Si Alex Crisano. Pinaula ka naman ni Alex Crisano. Bako! Muntik na. Itong Ginebra Jenkins still playing top defense up to this point.
Actually, Ginebra's trying to foul. I don't, but itong Welco should have just handled the ball. They would have gotten a foul and gotten to the free throw line a lot earlier. They want to be able to foul para pumasok ito si Rafi Rivas.
That is the third personal. Judy Valenzuela. 2 free throws. for J.R. Reyes.
So 2 free throws para naman po dito kay J.R. Reyes. Yan, ito pong walkout, ito pong kanilang final assignment dito sa ating Fiesta Conference. Ngayon itong dalawang ito, Mark Caguioa and J.J. Halterbrand, just admiring their handiwork dito at from the bench.
Well, this night is not the end of the eyes of Barangay Ginebra looking at the Araneta Coliseum, because after this game, manonood yan ang laro ng Red Bull, kung hindi dito sa bahay, because they want to see kung magkakaroon pa sila ng pag-asa, dahil kung ang Red Bull manalo mamaya kontra ang Token Tech, itong Barangay Ginebra, ang laban na lang nila para sa quarterfinals.
Dahil may pag-asa for semis outright, ha?
Not outright, for a playoff.
Right, rather, dahil kung matatalo ng dalawang sunod ang Red Bull at manalo naman sila in their final assignment on Sunday.
Yes, they will get a playoff either with Coca-Cola o kaya,
That's right.
I believe, Magnolia.
Correct. All right.
But that's just a one-game playoff, ha? So magkakatabla-tabla sila. Ang mangyayari dyan, magkakaroon ng lamangan sa quotient.
Then again, we're looking at the Walker Dragons, mga kaibigan. This conference, they've managed to eke out 4 wins.
They're going to give Maki Escalon another shot at this free throw.
Substitute free throw for Maki Escalon.
The split brother Maki Escalona. And Alex Crisanto.
Alex Crisanto.
Fouling Nino Gelig.
That is the third personal of Alex Crisanto. At the line for two free throws,
You can see the Barangay Ginebra Jinkings starting to celebrate this victory. May lamang po sila this coming Sunday. Tapos sa Canada Astrodome against the Alaska Aces. There's Coach Caloy Garcia nandito sa bench ng ando na. Ando na kinakongratulate ito pong Barangay Ginebra. Ayan po at patatapos po ito ng ating ball game. Para kay Coach Johnny Chico nag-respond itong kanyang bata. And there's a ball game, 5th straight win para po sa Barangay Ginebra Jinkings. And a 9th win in the Smart PBA Fiesta Conference. That's the final count, 111-96. Ang walkout natapos po ang kanilang kampanya dito with 4-14, 4 wins and 14 losses para po dito sa walkout Dragons. Alright mga kaibigan, para po sa ating Gatorade Game Turning Point. Ito yung onslaught ng Barangay Ginebra Jinkings, capped by this 3-pointer coming from Mark Caguioa. That was our Gatorade Game Turning Point, brought to you by Gatorade. Is it in you? And our best player of the ball game, wala pong iba kundi si Mark Caguioa. 26 points, 4 rebounds. At talaga naman, 60 points forward in the second half para dito kay Mark Caguioa.
It was a close game all the way to the second half when Mark Caguioa and the rest of the Gin Kings woke up from their slumber. At ito naging malaki na yung kalamangan nila to end this ball game.
Well, coming up next mga kaibigan, ang lamang po ng Red Bull at ng Token Tech Foam Pass. Pero bago po,